You're just launching a new product, but you don't have any reviews yet? The Amazon Wine Program might be the answer to all of your review problems. I will show you exactly how to set the Amazon Wine Program up, and I will give you some little insights. So first of all, very important, what is the Amazon Wine Program? So there is a club from Amazon shoppers. Amazon, it's on invitation only. Amazon invites some shoppers, which are very regular shoppers, which are reviewing very often different products, and they are inviting them to the wine program. In this wine program, they get products for free. And they write, very important, an honest review on your product. That means you can get up to 30 reviews via the Amazon Wine Program, but if your product isn't delivering, they might write a bad review. So it can also be that you get a 1-star, 2-star, 3-star review. That can be. But if your product is good, it's very unlikely to get a bad review. And I will show you now exactly how to set up the wine program. If you're thinking, yeah, I just start without reviews, not sure if I would recommend that, because of course reviews are one of the highest conversion and click-through rate drivers. If you don't have any social proof, no one will buy your listing, and your listing is also very vulnerable against, I don't know, concurrence, against competitor, against just bad reviews. I still remember, like, one of my first products I sold a few years ago. I haven't had any reviews. I saw, oh, well, I have 2 orders, and I don't know why, because I checked some of my competitors. It was in Europe. There you can see like what company do they have, and you can find out, okay, what's their name and so on. And it was a competitor which bought my product, destroyed my product, and posted a photo review of it on my Amazon listing. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Very, very, very important to get some reviews. The best option is if you have some families and friends. That isn't TOS conform, that isn't conform with the terms of service of Amazon. But if you get somehow, I don't know, a few friends, ideally not all from the same country, not all from the same IP address, not the same country, sorry, not from the same city, not with the same IP address. If not, it might that the reviews in the end get removed. I already had a case where I knew a seller which has had plenty of good reviews, but he had also started with some of his friends, all from the same region, leaving reviews for his listing. Amazon detected that somehow, because probably they think, okay, it's strange, we have orders all from the same region and all are giving a good review. And what did they? They removed all good reviews, all 5- and 4-star reviews, I think even 3-star reviews, and he had like, I don't know, 20, 30 reviews with an average of 1.6 stars. And it was cooked. Very unfortunate for him, because he was doing great. He also sold with the FBA program. So it's a very big struggle if you get some bad reviews. So first of all, get some reviews. Best option if you take caution, the friends and family members, that would be the best case. Letting them search on Amazon just for a keyword and of your choice, and clicking through some different competitor listings and then deciding to buy your product listing. That is very good in the beginning, but if not, if you want to especially be conformed to the Amazon regulation, use the Amazon Wine Program. Just keep in mind you can also get some bad reviews, but I think the more reviews you get, the less high is the chance that you get some bad reviews, and they're also very constructive. But I will show you now on the screen how they look like and how do you get them. Okay, first of all, how do the Amazon Wine reviews look like? I will show you how they look like. You can see them here, Amazon Wine customer review of free product. You see they need to write, or I don't know if they need to write it, but they write normally a bit longer review. Normally it's really, they need to write a constructive review, and mostly they do it. So it's often like very long constructive reviews, but sometimes they are also bad. You see, okay, they have all done a good job. They have all written like nice reviews, and yeah, that, so you understand how they look like. They look exactly like the reviews you get from your shoppers, just instead of here verified purchaser, you have here written Amazon Wine customer review of free products. And now I will also show you how to set them up in the Seller Central. Okay, we are on the Amazon Seller Central back office, and what we will do, we will take a ASIN, we'll copy the ASIN for which you would like to get wine reviews, and we go directly inside the menu, we go on advertising, we go into the wine program directly, we enter the ASIN on the right side, we click on begin enrollment, and now we can you can choose how many units you would like to enroll. Just for your understanding, you are giving those units away for free. That already is one thing, so you won't get any money for giving those units away. It's for free. And here are the enrollment fees. So if you just send 1 to 2 units, if you get just 1 to 2 reviews, it's €0. I'm here in a European account. In the US, it's $0. 3 to 10 units is €70. In the US, that's $75. And 11 to 30 units cost €170 or $200 in the US. So what you do, you just select how many units you would like to enroll. You have a maximum of 30 units you can enroll in this program, and then you click on enroll, and that's basically it. Then within time, as soon as you find you have nothing to do, and then within the time some people are going to get your products if they are interested as well. They get your products and they will write you a product review. And that's already it. If this video was helpful for you, please like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just leave a comment below. I'm happy to answer every Amazon related question. And if you would like to go a step further and work with me and my team, Maximize Your Online Biz, our full service Amazon agency, you may book a call with me below, and let's see each other again soon. Bye bye.